Hello friends, welcome to 29th episode of Harmonic Traders. This is your Arun N. I'm a SEBI registered research analyst. This is my Telegram channel Harmonic Traders. Do join here and get benefited. With respect to Nifty's weekly ORT, we have sell near 15,853 and the stop loss is 15,960. We have buy near 15,639 and the stop loss is 15,546. ORT is always calculated with respect to strikes of 100 for Nifty because that is the place like where the volume is huge. And if you're a positional player, always stick with the daily close stop loss and safe players can exit on 15-minute candle close SL. With respect to VAX, it is almost like a trading near the yearly low. Means we can't expect a violent move in index in the coming days. When I say like violent move, like at the time of COVID, it was like 200 points, 300 points. Like single day movement was there in Nifty, and at the time VAX reached its maximum of even like 80. Now it's very much stabilized, and we could expect. So this is the VX on daily, right? So at the time of COVID, it was at say like lifetime high of even 86, and post that it has started to stabilize, and right now it's almost trading near the yearly low, right? So the value is 12. So in simple words, like how to make use of this VAX, when VAX is more, we could expect a bigger movement in index and the stocks. And when VX is less, we can expect comparatively lesser movement. So option buyers do ensure like the timing is always right because decay is going to happen. Option sellers, if they could make use of strangle effectively, they could make decent profits. So with respect to strangle, we have already made a video like what are the conditions for you to trade based on strangle. You could just check over there. So we have an educational playlist. So you can just check this particular video. Okay, so like last time we made more than 7% return in Bank Nifty and more than a 9K profit in single lot in Nifty based on this triangle. So right now it's kind of quite comfortable time to sell option strangle in index as well. So with respect to buying options, do ensure the timing is always perfect. Note down these magical numbers and be ready to see like how the reversal are happening with respect to these ORT numbers. So if you are very much interested in ORT, you could join our AA channel Stock Times on Telegram. So far, we have completed 10,500 points in Nifty based on ORT. Even the last week from 15,724, Nifty made high of 15,826. Do register in our website and get access to our private videos. With respect to investment picks, we have four stocks for this particular week. Voltas, you can add 30% near 930, another 30% near 890. The final support is 829. Targets are 1030, 1130. Chambal fertilizers, you can add 30% near 212 and another 30% near 162. Repco, you can add 30% near 278, another 30% near 248, and the final support is 219. TANFAC, you can add 30% near 171, another 30% near 131, and the final support is 111. Targets are 231, 300. With respect to Astro, these are the Astro alert for the upcoming week. And if you're very much interested in Astro, we have already started the Astro series. You could check the first video in our YouTube. And with respect to Nifty, so Nifty has made a triple top with respect to what is sell, right? So this was our 36th lifetime high shot. So what is sell was around 15,900, and there was like a triple top, and Nifty is keeping on falling. So medium term, bears are going to have control, and until otherwise Nifty closes convincingly above 15,900, we could expect fall in Nifty. So everybody know like we are giving a free option calls, and so far like we have completed 99x return. So we will be continuing to keep sharing our option calls. So we are sharing in Twitter and our in Insta. Kindly join there if you're an option lover. HD index, everybody know like we have an offer right now going on, and we have extended our early bird offer as well. So if you are a pure index trader, and we give only buying calls in index, you could join in our index channel, avail the early bird offer, and get benefited. This was the latest one. We bought around 51, and we got 73% return on the intra with single lot profit of 2,800. And with respect to options, whether you're doing on your own or you're following our calls, these are the basic rules. Do ensure you're not going to average in options. Always trade with risk appetite. So our signature is giving stop loss everywhere, whether it's a free, paid, even in investment. So you will have the crystal clear stop loss. So even before taking your entry, you know like what is the risk you are going to keep. If in case in the SL is very big, wait and enter closer to SL, and calculate it based on your risk appetite. You could check our educational videos on the various learning stuff. If you are a fresher, you can start with this particular video, stock market tutorial for beginners, and get benefited. And we are starting our interactive session with our HT family members. So the first session is scheduled today, July 4th, 6 p.m. So we'll be like sharing the Zoom link in our Telegram channel. So you can just get this link from Telegram channel, join the session, and make benefited. The agenda is like you are going to pick your stocks, and we are going to do the analysis. And we share like what are the next buying level, selling level, so what stage it is right now. So all those things would be shared. Always do remember trading with small SL, that alone is the core secret. So if you ask me to just give something what I got from this 10 plus years of experience, this is it. So never ever violate this core SL. Okay, core secret, small SL, don't violate this particular principle. Wish you all have a wonderful and profitable week ahead. Take care, friends.